Come and check out some beautiful earrings that I picked up from Xtra by Stacey. Hi YouTube, I'm Crystal, Crystalsewsandstuff.com. Welcome back to the channel where I share sewing pattern reviews, sewing tips and techniques, and other fun related content. So today I have something a little different for you, and I have a unboxing of some fun jewelry that I picked up from Xtra by Stacey. So Xtra by Stacey is a costume jewelry designer, and she has some beautiful fashionable jewelry, and she's one of the sponsors for the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge that I'm hosting with T of Crumpets Tea and Sewing, and that challenge ran from April 11th through today, May 16th, 2021. So you still have until the end of the day to get your entries in if you're interested in participating in the challenge. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, so I'm just unboxing. I took the label off so you guys won't know everything. So it comes in this really pretty green box with a nice ribbon on it. So let's see what I got. Alright, so all the jewelry is are in these pretty jewelry pouches. So let me show you the first thing that I picked up. So the first thing I picked up are these beautiful pearl earrings. They're gorgeous. I like how cute and dangly they are. And they'll go with a lot of things. Then I really love these when I saw them on the website, are these orange and black and white earrings, because they kind of look like a zebra print at the bottom, and I think these are just so unique, and I could wear these with anything I wear that's orange or black or white. So I thought these were super cute. And then the next thing are these really pretty green hoops. These are super cute, and I could wear this with anything green or gold. So I love these. Then I got these black ones with these little black, I guess little pointed pieces. And I love these because these give you like an edgy look. So I really love these. I think these are so cute. They'll go with anything black. So I just love these. And then I picked up these really pretty green. These are a jade green. It has like a triangle in the front. The top is triangle, and then you have a triangle here, and then a gold bar and a circle at the bottom. So I love these earrings right here. And I wear these with green things. I want to wear more green, so that's why I picked these up. And I love this jade color. And the last thing that I picked up are these really pretty clear crystal earrings. And these are super cute. And I love these because you can wear them with a whole bunch of different things. So I think these are so cute. So that's everything I purchased. But she included a free gift. And these are these pretty earrings right here. And these have some nice tassels to it. And these are called the Handmade. And I like these. These will go with a lot of things. Especially these will be fun to wear to the beach. Because I can see wearing these with some white flip-flops and a maxi skirt on the beach. So I really love these. So that is my little mini haul. I just wanted to pop in for a bit. I haven't been doing a lot of sewing. I had a kind of a rough week last week, but I'm getting back into it, and so I'll be sewing more this week. I'm going to leave a link to her site so you can go ahead and check out all of her amazing pieces so that you can add them to your me-made wardrobe and your non-me-made wardrobe alike. So I like to style my makes, and so I always like to buy cute jewelry, and I like big jewelry. I rarely wear like studs. I'm a kind of a big jewelry kind of person as far as earrings go, and earrings are my favorite thing to wear because most of the time bracelets don't always fit me right because I have really small wrists, but I like earrings and necklaces. And so anyway, let me know, do you like to wear big earrings or little earrings? I love to know. Sometimes I do wear studs though, but for the most part I'm a big earring kind of person. Let me know what you are. Are you a big earring person or a little earring person? I love to know. So those are all the pieces that I picked up from Xtra by Stacey. And I'll leave a link to her website so you can check out her pieces. And she does run sales from time to time. And I picked these up when she was moving her store. And so she had a big 40% off sale, I believe. And so go ahead and sign up to her newsletter so you can be aware of all the sales that she has. But anyway, I think she has some beautiful pieces. And I'm sure you'd like anything that you picked up from her. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.